I'm Nikki, I'm a wellbeing coach from Woking in Surrey. Welcome to Woodhaven. Woodhaven is our eco-smart building. It's actually our home. I designed it for our family as a healthy building because we've got severe allergies in our family. And now I use Woodhaven to host all sorts of team building days, training workshops, cookery demonstrations, fashion shows, etc. Come with me and I'll show you some more. This is the pool room. The pool is filtered with oxygen and ozone as opposed to chlorine to keep the chemicals as low as possible. The hot tub has to have some bromine to avoid legionnaires because it's kept at such a high temperature. We prepare all the food from scratch here at Woodhaven. We use our own fruit and vegetables when in season, but the provenance is really important to us of all food. So sustainability is at the heart of all we do. The ground floor is open plan, as you can see. The bifold doors can close off the different rooms, depending on how you're going to use them. We've got various tables and chairs in the 5 breakout spaces that can be moved around, so it can be as formal or informal as you like. The presentation studio is our largest meeting room. We use this space for training workshops and team building, and also for our candlelit yoga sessions.